Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high protein, super creamy, super healthy, super quick and easy protein salad made with simple ingredients, but tastes so good. It's super addictive, but it's so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, chili and 2 carrots. Next, cut a package of smoked tofu into thin stripes. Then pour half a cup of tahini into a bowl. Along with half a cup of water. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And half a teaspoon each of garlic, onion powder, dried dill and salt. Now just mix it until smooth. Combine it with the tofu and carrots. And enjoy a super powerful and super healthy protein salad. Thanks for watching.